welcome back, you dogs. On today's episode, we're doing a makeover of Axe Head. You probably just saw this time lapse. It's we've just redone the first shark fin, and we're basically just going to do a full makeover of Axe Head with the boys. Oh. Alright, so I've just resurfaced this lip here, and we've also moved this landing forward a bit and packed it in. Now it's nice and smooth. And then so the step down's been rebuilt. Alright, so we've just been at work. We've done we've added some dirt in here and then carried it left. We were originally gonna go straight, but we decided to go left. Little jump onto the rock, and then it's gonna go down into there. So we'll get some more time lapse going of us clearing out behind me. Gab's about to test the jump. Yo!
Some faces extinction, colors gone from the red. As a child, I sat and watched it fade. Everyone is on the move, and the quiet's affecting me. But I'll never get out of this place that we're trying to flee.
Alright, so that was the first day of the Axe Head rebuild and adding to the bottom bit, I guess. We've got a fair bit of single track afterwards, and we've also got that.
As my road draws to the end, the days last only hours. I count the minutes till the sun will rise again. In the darkness I collect my thoughts. I see my life through my eyes. I will never take part in my suicide.
Time for a smoko break. My GoPro, I forgot the screw for my tripod, so it's a bit unbalanced, but we've got this little huck to flat jump done. So you come through the single track we got done yesterday and then into this, and then the boys So we got that jump, and then we'll probably land somewhere here, and then the boys have been working down here, so hop on Smoko and then get back to work later. Oh. The no looker.
No look.
I'm fat. I'm so dead after yesterday. Did so much work, but keep working, get the track done today, hopefully. It's been...
He didn't take enough smokos.
Yeah, yesterday I didn't have enough smokos, so... Anyway, so it's been... I think it's been like 14 or 15 weeks since we started building this track.
Yeah, it was like
So we're finally...
at the end of term 2.
Yeah, we're finally trying to get the whole thing done, which is happy about it, so. We've done a fair bit of work on the rock garden down there. Time to go get lunch. Oh.
51st screw. Mama showed that the big hole in the sky is getting huge.
Alright, so I don't have my bike at the moment because I have to wait to get new cranks, but I'm gonna do a lap of the whole track with this new rock garden and going up the other side on my dad's bike, and I'll probably follow Cam Marlin, so here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Yo! Oh, the bottom out. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I still went flat. Yeah, I see tire marks. I went flat.
No, it actually didn't look too bad.
That was good. That was good.
Wait, you have no idea how hard I got popped off the shark fin?
Yeah.
I got bucked.
Yeah, I went a bit to the right as well.
Did you get bucked though?
Not really.
Because I like went nose heavy.
I just nearly landed in the bushes on the right.
I always do that, usually.
The rebound's fast on the shock and slow on the ticker. Just make sure you move when we get there. Rider! Whoa! 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 High line. Whoa! XC clapper. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What, Gaston?
Oh!
That's sweet.
But here we go. Rider!